Today I'll be going over the course library built into our Enliten education software. Enliten has many tools and features to help you build your lesson plans, but it also has a built-in library of courses and tools you can use for a variety of purposes. To access the library, simply click on the bookshelf icon on the taskbar. Here you can find whole lessons, templates, and tools you can either use on their own or add to your current presentation. A search bar at the top makes finding specific content easy, or you can use the categories on the side to help you find what you are looking for. You can also sort by type or grade to aid your search. If you find a lesson plan that interests you, tap on it, then you can either open up the plan on its own, or you can add the slides to your current presentation. Either way, you'll be able to edit the pre-made slides should you desire further change or customization to make it fit to your liking. Tapping on a tool will add it to your current slide. Templates will give you tools, images, and backgrounds you can easily add to your own slides. It works like lesson plans in that you can open templates separately, or you can add them to the slides in your current presentation. With the Enliten library, you'll quickly be able to find and add the content you need to elevate your lessons. Thank you for watching, and be sure to watch more videos in the series to quick start your Enliten experience.